Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows Biometric service has stopped working, then please watch this video. So search for services in the Windows search bar and go to services. Now scroll down to Windows Biometric service. Okay, right click on it and then select start. It will start the service in a while. After that, right click on it, select properties, make this service automatic, click on apply and then on OK. Now I'll explain what we did and why we did it. Windows biometric service is not actually started by default, and if it says that it stopped, maybe it may have been stopped by an external third party program, but in most of the cases it wouldn't have started at all at the first place. And we can start it manually, but just because we started it manually doesn't mean that it will fix the problem forever. So for that, we changed the startup type to automatic. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.